hi, like we have our student, she got placed recently, she'll share some experience.
I'm Shravya. I started my journey in PySpiders in the month of June. Keshav sir took Python for me. He trained us well from the scratch, which helped me gain very good knowledge on Python because I used to know Java, but when I came here, it became easy for me to learn Python. And also, Murli sir took SQL for me. He also trained me well on SQL. And for me, web, Uma Shankar had taken web for me. And also, Alex sir taught Django for us. And he also trained from scratch, and he trained us very well on that. Also, the mock interviews and the presentation that we do on daily basis helped me gain prepare me very well on the interviews. And so basically I had an amazing experience in PySpiders.
Okay, thank you and the best.
Thanks.
Congratulations. Okay.